Hello, welcome to today's Marketing Minute. My name is Austin Lewis, and I'm the Search Engine Marketing Strategist for Caledon Virtual. Today we're going to talk SEO faux pas. What are SEO faux pas? SEO faux pas are things you don't want to do to improve your SEO. They will actually have a negative impact on your SEO. So quickly, let's cover the two most common types that I see. The categories I could put those into would be overuse and external linking usage. First, let's cover overuse and two types of overuse. The most common type of overuse I see, it would be in the form of links. You don't want to link to any one page, particularly in the body of an HTML document, more than once. This could be an external link to a page on another person's website, an internal link to another page on your website, or a link to a phone number in the form of tel or SMS. We don't want to repeat these more than once in the body of any one page. Okay, next would be keyword stuffing. A lot of us have heard of that. That's the overuse of any keyword you're trying to rank for. You want to keep the keyword you're trying to rank for at a density of about 1 to 2%. So for every 100 words in the body of your HTML document, you shouldn't see your keyword more than once or twice. All right, lastly, let's cover external linking usage. This is a bit more complicated. You might need to involve your web developer. It involves particularly the usage of the ahref HTML element and its particular attributes within. So it breaks down like this. Most external links should probably include these two attributes. One would be rel equals no follow. The other would be target equals underscore blank. This is for the reason of such. Okay, the no follow is to protect your link juice. Unless you're linking to a page that also links back to you, maybe your Facebook page, for example, you want to include rel equals no follow to protect your link juice. This is something we'll cover more in another video. Lastly, the target equals underscore blank. This is going to get all of your external links to open in a new tab of your browser, which keeps people from bouncing from your website. This is something Google tracks and it reflects in your SERP results. So I hope these things have been helpful. We'll catch you next time on the Marketing Minute.